The Prince by Niccolò Machiavelli is a political treatise that examines how rulers can acquire, maintain, and consolidate power in practical terms. Machiavelli moves away from idealistic or moralistic ideas of leadership, arguing that a successful prince must often act against conventional ethics to secure the stability of the state. He categorizes principalities into hereditary and new, explaining that new rulers face greater challenges in winning loyalty and maintaining control. Machiavelli emphasizes the importance of a strong, disciplined military and warns against relying solely on mercenaries or auxiliaries, who are often unreliable. He advises rulers to be both loved and feared, but notes that if they cannot be both, it is safer to be feared than loved. Reputation and appearances also matter. A prince should appear virtuous while being willing to act deceitfully or harshly when necessary. The book is pragmatic, often blunt, and focused on real-world politics, emphasizing adaptability, foresight, and decisive action. It explores human nature as self-interested and fickle, suggesting that leaders must understand and anticipate people's behavior to maintain power. The Prince remains influential as a study of political strategy, leadership, and the complex relationship between ethics and effectiveness in governance.